This is Max. Max likes to keep things simple. And that's why he prefers the annoying things in life to take care of themselves. Something that Max really doesn't like: impractical keys. Keys? Yes, keys. Hey, you can forget them, lose them, even snap them. And let's be honest, this always happens at the worst possible moment, right? But Max hasn't had to worry about any of this since he got a new Nuki Smart Lock. Now he can open his front door using his smartphone. Just one swipe, and the door opens as if by magic. And what's more, Max can also easily open the door for other people while he's out and about, thanks to the optional Nuki Bridge, which lets him remotely control his door, even when he's not at home, and unlock it for people like the cleaner, or his best friend who's turned up early again, the handyman, the neighbors, or even the friendly neighborhood T-Rex. And if someone visits regularly, Max can simply assign them their own access permission. This means his girlfriend can open his door with her smartphone too. And thanks to the auto unlock function, she doesn't even need to have her phone in her hand. And if things don't work out, Max can always deactivate the access permission in the Nuki app. No matter what life throws at him, Max is making things a little easier for himself with the Nuki Smart Lock 3.0. Be like Max. Be smart with your Nuki Smart Lock 3.0.